Hello, good morning everyone. How are you? All fine? Great. So class, as you all know, weather is changing and this is the time we have to be more careful about ourselves. Clear? So please stop taking all those cold drinks and cold stuff and better keep yourself warm. Clear? And listen to your parents. Is that clear? Because still I'm getting few complaints regarding for some of the students who are not behaving properly at home. Okay class? So what you have to do, just listen to your parents and focus on your studies. Okay? Great. So it is the time, देखो बाहर थोड़ा सा weather change हो रहा है, तो what you can do, enjoy your studies, your classes, sit at your home in a cozy comfort atmosphere and just study. Okay? So now moving to on our today's class. Today is 13th October 2020. So a new day, a new date and something new to learn, isn't it? 13th October and the day is Tuesday. Yes, the second day of our this week's class. So today is Tuesday. On Tuesday we are going to start our maths class first. So in maths we have completed our counting till 140. You remember that? Till 140 we have already completed our counting. So today ma'am is going to teach you from 141 to 170. Clear? So we are going to move ahead in our counting today. The one and the most important part of mathematics is counting, isn't it? So let's begin. But before starting that counting, can anyone tell me how we have written the counting after 100? So 100, when we wrote 100, we wrote in three different boxes, 1, 0, 0. Like that we wrote. So when we wrote that, हम लोगों ने ऊपर क्या लिखा था? सबसे टॉप में हमने कौन से अल्फाबेट्स लिखे थे and what those alphabets mean, which we were writing from 101 to 140 also. Yes, tell me class. So those were hundreds, tens, ones. देखिए जब भी आप लिखते हो we always write HTO. You remember that? जब भी हम लिखते हैं we write it like this, HTO. But never say it like HTO. No. Always say hundreds, tens, ones. जब हम बोलते हैं we say hundreds, tens, ones. Clear? ताकि जब आप बार बार repeatedly इसको बोलोगे तो ये आपको याद रहेगा. You'll memorize it कि what is this HTO? HTO का meaning क्या होता है? This is what we have to first understand, ना? And I told you H is for hundreds, T is for tens and O is for ones. So repeatedly जब भी आप HTO लिखते हैं counting के लिए या TO लिखते हैं counting के लिए, always say hundreds, tens, ones. TO लिखना है तो tens, ones, क्योंकि till 99 we have only T and O. So write tens and ones. Clear? तो जब तक आप ये बोलोगे नहीं, बार बार repeatedly आपको बोलना पड़ेगा. And when you will keep on saying it again and again, it will be on your tongue. वो एकदम से आपको learn हो जाएगा. Clear? So first write hundreds, tens and ones, and after that we always skip one line. We always miss one line. है ना? Why we do that? So that the counting cannot get mixed with each other. अगर हम एक line blank नहीं छोड़ेंगे, all these numbers will get juggle up. सब mix हो जाएगा, isn't it? So we leave a line, we skip a line so that the numbers can be separated. Clear? So let's start our counting. You all have completed till 140. So now again I am telling you one thing. Whenever you are writing the counting, you have to speak it. अब बोलने का क्या तरीका है? 141, no. 141, no. You have to speak it 141. 1 in 100, 141. 141. Clear? So see carefully how I am speaking. जब मैम लिख रही होंगी तो मैम अपनी काउंटिंग बोलेंगे भी, isn't it? So when I'm speaking, listen carefully how I'm speaking the number and writing it. This is the correct way of writing. पहले आप नंबर बोलोगे, लेकिन नंबर बोलने का भी एक सही वे होता है. 141. Now for example, if I'm taking a dictation test, या कोई भी मम्मा आपको बोलती हैं या आप शॉपकीपर के पास जाते हो, आप कुछ सामान परचेज करते हो, and shopkeeper says you have to give me 129 rupees. तो आप कैसे दोगे? 129. आप अगर ऐसे लिखोगे तो आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा, it is 129, isn't it? So whenever you are writing the counting, always speak it and speak it in the correct way so that you can learn it in the correct way. Okay class? Let's start now. So one is hundreds, tens and ones. We have written that. Now we'll start our counting from 141. So how we are going to do that? 141. We have written it like this. See, when I have written it, I have said 141. Now I am writing 142. 143. 144. So class, many of you are in a practice of writing 1 1 1 1 1 4 4 4 4 4, फिर 1 2 3 4 लिख देंगे मैम. That is also wrong. These are wrong practices. Many of you are doing it like this. I have seen an exam paper also where I have given you counting till 140. I have seen in your regular notebook work also. So this is a wrong practice of doing work. आप 1 1 1 1 1 1 लिखते हो, फिर 4 4 4 4 लिखोगे. No, this is wrong. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा आपने क्या नंबर लिखा है. फिर नेक्स्ट टाइम जब टेस्ट में मैम डिक्टेशंस देंगी तो आप लिख ही नहीं पाओगे. जब तक मैम बोलेंगी नहीं 141, आप कैसे लिखोगे? एंड 141 इज रॉन्ग, है ना. 141 तो एडिशन भी हो सकती है, 141 सब्ट्रैक्शन भी हो सकता है, isn't it? So when we are talking about counting, we have to speak it 141, 142, 143, 144. Next will be 145. Clear? So let's do that now. 145. Next will be 146. 147. 148. 149. And what comes after 49? 50. So this will be 150. Now have you seen all my numbers are touching bottom line, लेकिन बॉक्स की जो टॉप लाइन है क्या वो टच करी है? जीरो ने क्या ये वाली लाइन टच करी है? नो. किसी ने भी 1 ने टच करी है ऊपर वाली लाइन? नो. बट व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग इट इन लाइक दिस 1 1 1, तो ये जब आप दोनों लाइंस को टच करके लिखते हो तो वो एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन बन जाती है, वो 1 नहीं लगता आपको, isn't it? So never touch the top line, always touch the bottom line with the number. Number should stand on the bottom line. Clear everyone? Okay. So now after 150 we will write again. What we are going to write? Hundreds, tens, ones. Yes. So again I'll write hundreds, then I'll write tens and I'll write ones, and once again I'll put a cross. So whenever you are writing 100, tens and ones or tens and ones, put a cross, उसी के साथ लगाना है आपको. After writing ones, you have to put the cross also. Otherwise बाद में आप भूल जाओगे और फिर इस लाइन में नंबर लिख देंगे हम. Okay? So now after hundreds, tens and ones, I have put a cross. Now we have written till 150. So we are going to start from 151. From where we are going to start? 151. So let's see how we'll write that. 151. Then we'll write 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Clear? So now we have completed till 160. So again, because we have to write till 170, we are going to write hundreds, tens and ones once more. So let's see that. Hundreds, tens, ones and one cross. Again, I'll put a cross here. So let's see how to begin from 161. 161. 162. 163. 164. 165. 166. 167. 168. 169. 170. Understood? Now we have completed till 170. And this is where we have to stop today, isn't it? So class, from 141 to 170 is the counting that we have learned today. So let us just revise it once again. First of all, whenever you are speaking the counting, speak the whole number together. Clear? And whenever you are writing these alphabets, write the alphabets, but when you are speaking, just speak the whole name. For what you have written that alphabet, like hundreds, tens, ones. All of you say with me, hundreds, tens, ones. Clear? Now we are going to start with 141, 142, 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Now can anyone read this number for me? What is this? The whole number? 157. Yes. So this is the correct way of reading a given number. Understood everyone? So whenever you see any number written outside anywhere, or you can just read your house number. So now what you can do, go and look out the nameplate which is outside your house, what number is written. So this is how you can tell me your house number. अब house number में 2 digits हैं, 3 digits हैं. So you can read that now, isn't it? So this is a fun activity that you are going to do today. Just read out different numbers. And whenever now we are opening our books also, and we open our book on 108 page, 110 page, I tell you like this na, in different subjects. So you are able to do that now, isn't it? Okay. So today is now moving towards work. So today what you are going to do, you are going to do this work in notebook. Do this work in notebook, okay? So all of you now open your notebook and I'll tell you how you're going to write your counting there. After that, finish your classwork and homework. Okay, bacha? So class, now let's see how we are going to write our counting in notebook. Clear? So first we are going to write today's date. So that is 13th October 2020. So this is our today's date. We have written. After that we'll write classwork here. CW. Understood? Now we are going to write our topic. So what is our topic? Our topic is counting. Counting from? Yes, counting from 141 to 170. So we'll write counting, and this counting we are going to start from 141 to 170. Understood? Like this you will write the topic. Now let us start our counting. First we are going to write hundreds, tens and ones. So class, whenever you are writing, don't say HTO. We write it as HTO, but whenever you are writing, always say hundreds, tens, ones, ताकि आपको ये याद रहे and you are very much thorough with it. What is H, what is T and what is O. Clear? And then we'll put a cross mark. So now we'll start our counting. 141, 142, 143, 144. Next is 145. Understood? Then we have 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Clear? So we have written our one series, that is from 141 to 150. Now again we are going to write hundreds, tens, ones. Clear? We have written it for one more time and I'll put a cross here. So can you tell me what is this cross now? That means we don't have to write anything in this line. Okay. So now we are going to start from this one. So till 150 we have written. Now we are going to begin from 151, 152, 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159, 160. Understood? Now again we are going to write hundreds, tens, ones. Clear? And after 160, what we are going to write? 161. Yes. So we'll begin from 161, 162, 163, 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169. So like this 69, and then we'll write 170. So class, we were supposed to write counting from 141 to 170. That we have done, isn't it? So have you understood how we are going to write our counting? So first you will write date, then your classwork, topic, and like this you are going to write your counting neatly. So can you see all the numbers are written on the bottom line? And have you observed that when I was writing these numbers, I was saying them also. Yes, orally bhi bolna hai. Clear? जब आप जो नंबर लिख रहे हो वो आपको ओरली बोलना भी है. सो व्हेन यू विल स्पीक एंड राइट you will learn also. This is how we learn na. So by when you are writing and you are speaking also, you will be able to learn as well. सारा ही work एक साथ finish हो जाएगा, isn't it? So now moving towards your homework, because this was your class work. So your today's homework is same as class work. Homework will be same as class work. So what you have to do? You are going to write the same counting from 141 to 170 on the next page also. Clear? One as classwork and the other one as your today's homework. Okay, class? Class, now you have understood your counting work. The most important part in maths is counting, because it's all about numbers that we add, we subtract, the pre-numbers, they are all related with each other, isn't it? So whenever you are writing your counting, speak it, write it and learn it. दोनों चीजें कैसे होंगी? When you are speaking and writing, learning automatically हो जाएगी. You don't have to sit and learn 141, 142, मम्मा मैं भूल गया. No, you cannot. आप जब लिखते टाइम speak करोगे, when you will speak and write, whatever number you are writing, you just have to speak that number. जब आप ऐसे लिखोगे अपने numbers को, automatically you will learn it. Okay? So finish your work and get ready for your today's EVS class. Yes, so next you have your EVS period. So get ready for the EVS class now. Okay? Bye.